This is frittata, and it's like an omelette on steroids with a lot more ingredients, and it's just delicious. Welcome to Cookflix. Today our dish is frittata, and now let's jump right into the ingredients. We are going to need Parmesan cheese, feta cheese, 1 red pepper, 4 spring onions, some fresh basil, 1 cup of green peas, and about 7 or 8 eggs depending on your dish. I'm going to start by chopping my red pepper into small pieces, and then I'm going to get my pan hot and ready. Add a little bit of olive oil at the bottom and throw in your red pepper. I'm going to season with a little bit of black pepper, and the next step is to chop my spring onions into small diamond shaped pieces. I'm going to add my spring onions to the pan and give it a little stir. I'm going to break 7 eggs into this bowl. I'm going to season the eggs with some Parmesan cheese, and it's very important here to be quite generous with that cheese. Then add some black pepper and whisk everything very nice. For my next ingredient, I'm going to roughly chop my basil and add it into the pan. I'm going to give it a little stir, and the next ingredient that goes into the pan is my green peas. Now, just before the eggs, I'm going to add my feta cheese into small and large cubes inside the pan. Next, I'm going to pour my eggs on top of everything, and with a little spatula I'm going to separate my eggs from the sides of the pan. Using a microplane, I'm also going to grate some feta cheese on top of my frittata. I'm going to let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees. Throw it into the oven, and then you can leave it for up to 30 minutes or until you get this nice golden brown on top of it. Then you know it's ready and you can take it up. You can see this looks just incredible, and it tastes even better. The next step is very important, and I'm going to separate my frittata from the sides of the pan, and once it's ready and separated, I'm going to shake the pan a little bit, get my cutting board, place it on top, and now it's ready to flip it. A little mistake I made was that I didn't bring up my rack inside of the oven 1 level higher, so my onions got a little burned, but that is all. Now I'm going to flip it 1 more time so I can place it on top of my cutting board, and we're pretty much ready to serve. And this is it, guys. Cut it into very thick and nice pieces and serve it with some orange juice or coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more interesting and very delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.